guys! Today we're gonna make shell out. So these are the ingredients. These are the seafood that I'm gonna be using. Crabs, king prawns, mussels, and I have sweet corn, broccoli, lemon. So we're gonna squeeze the juice out of one lemon. Dried chili paste. If you don't have this, you can use chili powder. Butter, and this recipe actually calls for lots of butter. Sweet chili sauce, oyster sauce, and lots of garlic as well. So I'm using 2 heads of garlic, so that's about 17-18 cloves. Cayenne pepper, oregano, smoked paprika, Cajun seasoning, and salt and sugar to taste. First, I'm gonna steam the crabs because I don't have a big enough pan to cook everything in, so it'll be easier to steam the crab and add it later on. And then I'm gonna steam the corn until it turns deep yellow in color. Mine is cooked in about 8 minutes. And we're gonna steam the broccoli as well for about 5 to 6 minutes. Moving on to the sauce. First off, melt the butter in a heated pan. And then add the garlic. Saute the garlic until it's a little brown. I just love the aroma of butter and garlic. Now we're gonna add the dried chili paste and all the other spices and seasonings. I added 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Next, I'm adding all the sauces, the chili sauce and the oyster sauce. Now we're gonna add the prawns and then stir. At this point, you can add some water. I added about 1/4 cup of water. Okay, now my prawns are halfway cooked. That's when I'm gonna add the mussels. And cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. And then finally, add the steamed crabs and stir until everything is well combined. And you're done!